The coronavirus has taken a toll on Bethel AME Church in Greensboro.
We recently had a church member who lost his wife suddenly due to COVID, and a number of members who have contracted COVID, but they have recovered.
Pastor Clay Barrow says he'll do whatever he can to stop it. His elderly African-American congregation is at a high risk and disproportionately affected by the virus. Many of his members are on the front lines in grocery stores, on bus routes, keeping businesses alive. He says some can't afford to take measures to protect themselves.
Many of the members that I serve in the community that I serve do not have the luxury of being out of work for 5 to 14 days without pay.
That's why he's raising awareness about the vaccine.
Those individuals are ones who desperately need to be vaccinated. He's
relying on his faith and science to help his congregation and community.
Not only am I a man of faith, but I'm also a man who believes in science. And I'm willing to trust the vaccine.
On Thursday, a panel of doctors and faith leaders in a statewide town hall hope to answer questions and address concerns about the vaccine.
We want to clarify what the vaccine is doing. We want to clarify the safety. We want to clarify that there might be some side effects, but they're minimal.
Pastor Barrow says the reach needs to go beyond the internet since some people don't have access.
Dropping off information in key places such as barbershops, having something to put in hand, and trusting the leadership within the community to actually get it to the people, because people will respond to those they trust.